Problem number 57. Every time we talk about the legal status of the embryo as a full human being. Now the question related to problem number 57 is, can failed embryo be described as human beings? Then the answer is no. The failed embryos cannot be described as human being. Now first we have to look at the factors that are responsible for the failure of such embryos. The factors which are involved is the early pregnancy loss, that is the loss of embryos, or there is failure of embryos in the early pregnancy loss. This may be because of the cousin marriages due to which chromosomal aberrations can occur, and in such conditions embryos which are obtained are aneuploid, either they have chromosomal part defective or there is extra chromosomal part. Then the second factor associated with it is the aspect of embryonic aging. Embryonic aging की वजह से भी embryo failure की तरफ जा सकता है. Then the third important factor is the age factor. Now, if the mother conceived before 35 years, then there are less chances of genetic defect in the baby. इसके अलावा अगर mother conceive करती हैं after 40 years, then there is failure of pregnancy in older women because of the aspect of embryonic aging. इसके अलावा fourth important factor which is responsible for the failure of embryo is toxicology. Toxicology involves the toxic effects of new drugs on early embryonic cells. अगर मदर ने कोई ऐसी दवाई खा ली है जिसका टॉक्सिक अफेक्ट एम्ब्रियो पे हो गया है, it can lead to the failure of embryo. Now, before 14 days of development, there is no primitive streak develops. There is no formation of 3 germinal layers. So, after 14 days, the primitive streak develops and there is formation of 3 germ layers in the embryo. लेकिन अगर हम 14 days से पहले की बात करें, then there are chances then that 2 embryos are fused together and it appears as one. लेकिन जैसे ही germ layers बननी शुरू होती हैं after 14 days, these 2 embryos can split and can give rise to twins. So here, at an early stage, keep in mind that there is no individual ontological of embryo in this case. So this limits the moral value of the embryo as human person. इसके अलावा early pregnancy loss या aspects जो consider करते हैं embryonic aging की तरफ, और the older age of the women or toxicology, in such conditions 50 to 60% of the embryos are aneuploid. Aneuploid से मुराद chromosomal defects हैं, either because of the defect in any part of the chromosome or there is addition of any part of the chromosome, either in the short arm or in the long arm of the chromosome. So keep in mind that in all these conditions where embryos are developed in the early pregnancy loss or in the embryonic aging status or in the form of toxicology, or the mother is of older age, here embryos are non-viable and we can't give them a status of full human being. So failed embryos are not considered to be a full human being. So the answer related to this question is no, as they are non-viable, they are not alive.